We wanted to see how well Nikki and I can make our boyfriend's favorite meals. Our boyfriends will then rate us on taste, technique, and presentation.
Oh my god, it's popping! Ow!
Yeah.
It's burning! Hey guys!
I'm Nikki.
And I'm Gabby.
And since we've been spending a lot of time at home, we've both been trying new things, such as cooking. That's right, I haven't been using Postmates, I've actually been cooking.
We wanted to see how well Nikki and I can make our boyfriend's favorite meals, and like always, turn it into a competition.
After we cook their food of choice, our boyfriends will then rate us on taste, technique, and presentation.
And just to make it a little fair, we're gonna ask our fans on our Instagram stories to rate our presentation.
So let's get into the kitchen. Today we're going to be preparing a meal for Nathan West, and he loves Chick-fil-A. He always gets a spicy fried chicken sandwich.
I just like sandwiches in general.
He loves sandwiches.
I'm like Joey from Friends.
This is the greatest sandwich in the world!
With the help of some friends and Pinterest, I found a recipe online that is actually supposed to taste like the Chick-fil-A Spicy Deluxe Sandwich. The thing about me versus Gabby is that Gabby always cooks. She hosts every Friendsgiving. She cooks casseroles for Christmas. I just started cooking during quarantine. So I watched some videos last night, and I saw in some cooking videos that like they prep the dry ingredients, which I wanted to do to like make today as easy
Famous as possible.
Yeah, honestly. This is my sandwich station. And then I have my wet ingredients all measured out. Now I just have to focus on the chicken. I've never made raw chicken from scratch myself. I usually buy the pre-made chicken that you put in the freezer and then you warm up in a saute pan. So let's do this chicken. So my boyfriend has bougie taste. His favorite meal is crab cake. First of all, I can't tell you the last time I had a crab cake because I don't like crab cakes. I hate the texture, I hate everything about crab cakes, and that is my boyfriend's favorite meal. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients. All right, so this is all my ingredients. I'm nervous. I have no idea what it's supposed to taste like, but honestly, I have faith in myself. I'm a pretty good cook, and Colin can agree. So let's get into this. Step 1, marinate the chicken. Place chicken breast halves in pickle juice / water marinade in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Okay, sounds pretty doable. Do I touch it?
Yeah, you're gonna have to touch it.
Yuck. Feels like an organ. Place chicken breast halves in pickle juice / water marinade. Pea. And water. So we're gonna move this to the fridge and let it sit for 30 minutes. Be back. 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. 2 large eggs beaten. 2 tablespoons, of Dijon mustard. 2 teaspoons of Worcester sauce. Am I pronouncing that right? Worcester? Worcester? Half a teaspoon of hot sauce. You know I'm gonna put a whole teaspoon because my baby likes hot. Kosher salt. Ground pepper. Holy nasty. While the chicken breasts are marinating in the fridge, I'm re-sanitizing the cutting board and the knife. We don't want cross-contamination in Nikki's kitchen. I'm doing this video knowing I'm gonna get roasted. I should know how to cook, but anyways. Okay, I'm going to move on to step 2, combine dry ingredients, which I did ahead of time. I have powdered sugar, paprika, black pepper, chili powder, salt, baking powder. Smells so good. It smells like Chick-fil-A. Mix the milk and egg. it's time to check on our chicken.
So there's 16 ounces in a pound, and these boxes say 8 ounces of crab meat, so I'm gonna use 2 of these in my little mixture because the recipe says 1 pound of crab meat.
Oh,
You wanted it. And last but not least, 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs.
So now I just took the chicken out of the fridge and now I have to beat it apparently. So put it in a Ziploc bag. Apparently the reason why spicy deluxe sandwiches from Chick-fil-A are extra crispy is because they do this double dipping method. Ready? Now.
okay. Yeah, don't do that.
I'm like trying to get the perfect shape because presentation is being judged. Oh my god, it's popping!
Make it into a crab cake.
Ow! Ah!
Turn it down.
Ow! I'm scared! I'm just gonna put it in their shapes at the end when they're done. I'm gonna leave this sit here so it takes the mold of this.
Don't take it out of the pan.
It's burning!
Yeah, I know. It's too hot.
Oh my god.
That is charcoal. Can I explain what happened? I don't have a thermometer. And it said, the article said the oil had to be at 350 degrees. I thought I could eyeball this, but apparently you can't.
I'm adding a bonus for Colin. He loves coleslaw, and I made homemade coleslaw this week. So I'm just gonna put that there. Right now, I'm taking a picture of my presentation because our followers on Instagram have to vote.
So we're gonna put this chicken on this side. It is so much bigger than the bun. Then we're going to take 2 slices of cheese. You want 1 or 2?
One's fine.
Okay, 1 slice of cheese. This is how we're gonna take the photo. I feel like I can get away with it. I don't know how it's gonna taste.
It honestly looks like a burger, so I feel like I'm gonna get away with it.
Poor Nikki, we tried. I actually wanted to make you a good lunch. I failed.
Well, that's how you learn.
So basically, you're just eating this and telling me how you like it, right?
Well, the plate looks really freaking good. You even added decorations.
I'm like
Jesus.
nervous. I didn't even try it.
It smells good. You want to smell it?
See, I don't like that like fishy smell.
It's not bad.
Not
good.
bad.
No, it's not. It's good. For your first crab cake, it's really good. I made the whole thing.
Really?
I have to rate off camera, so I can't tell you the ratings yet. I guess it's gonna be a secret.
Oh
But
no.
do you want to try it, please? Come on, try what you made, please. Please, come on.
I hate crab cakes.
It looks really nice. I like your open face. layout of the chicken sandwich. It's a little burnt, but hopefully it still tastes good.
Just a little crispy.
Oh yeah, that's why it looks cooked. Okay, moment of truth.
Maybe it'll taste better than it looks.
Wow, that's pretty good.
After all that,
It actually really does taste like a chicken sandwich from Chick-fil-A. For technique,
you can't rate me.
I can't?
now. We have to do it on the reveal. You have to tell Xena, our
Oh.
producer.
good job.
Hey guys, so basically me and Gabby don't know what our boyfriends rated the 3 categories, which is taste, technique, and presentation. They texted our producer, and she's gonna send us a text with the ratings right now, and we're gonna react together on FaceTime. How do you think you did? Like, how did it go?
Okay, so I don't like crab cakes whatsoever. So I don't know if the taste was good or bad, because no matter what, it tastes bad to me. And I put all these condiments like mayo, mustard, Worcester sauce.
I didn't even think about how you make a crab cake. I always just get the frozen ones and like broil them.
But Colin, I think, liked it. He finished it so quick. He finished it so quick.
Did you just say quack? Okay, for my dish I made Nate, I had to make and recreate a Chick-fil-A sandwich he's obsessed with, the spicy deluxe one. He was worried, and then I kept proving him wrong, It was all going well, and then all of a sudden, we put the battered chicken breasts into the frying pan. The second they hit the oil, they burnt.
Wait. Your chicken burned immediately, or it like was spitting at you, the hot oil?
No, it burned immediately. And within seconds, they turned black.
What?
She just sent the ratings. Nate's ratings, technique an 8. Really?
Colin's rating for me, technique, a 10.
Oh, whoa. Giving us some high scores here. Presentation 9. Really?
Presentation, 10.
10. Yeah, Colin's gonna be 10, 10, 10. I love you, honey. Taste 8.
Taste, 9.
Okay, so Gabby won, per usual.
Let's go to the poll.
Oh, so Gabby's is 52% on presentation and I'm 48% at the bottom.
That was close though. That's like almost a tie.
I'm honestly surprised I even got 48% because it passes as a burger and it kind of looks like a burger. But if people knew that was chicken, I'm not sure.
I thought it was honey barbecue chicken.
Alright guys, so that was our cooking video during quarantine. Comment down below what else you guys want to see us do because, you know, we have a lot of free time.
And guys, stop saying you gotta stop with the competitions because it's not healthy, because we love doing competitions with each other. Even though it's like win or lose, we still like get a thrill from it. So
I have
those comments.
I have fun making these videos.
Nikki's a good sport. So
I am.
I'm targeting Nikki in the comments, guys.
I'm my own winner.
Honestly, I want your sandwich. I would not touch what I made. I would not eat it in a million years.
Well, you did good for not eating crab cakes and not knowing how.
Yeah.
Well, guys, be sure to click the bell and subscribe down below.
And we'll see you guys in our next video. Suggest more videos.
Yeah, we read the comments. This was in the comments of our last video, so tell us what to do next week. And also subscribe to our vlog channels. We've been posting a lot everywhere during quarantine and on our Instagrams. We've been posting so much everywhere. So just follow us everywhere. It's all linked down below.
And we'll see you guys.
Bye.